Hey guys, today I'm making a Sicilian pasta bake with eggplants. I am in love with this recipe, so I strongly suggest you give it a try. Let's get started. First, wash the eggplants. Remove the ends and cut the pulp into cubes about 1/2 centimeters on each side. You don't have to be precise, but just make sure they're all the same size so that they cook evenly. Heat up about 2 fingers of vegetable oil. I used sunflower oil, and fry up the eggplants a few at a time until they're nice and golden. Drain them in some paper towel so that it absorbs all the excess oil. At this point, I add just a little bit of salt. Meanwhile, prepare the tomato sauce. Very simple, just fry up a garlic clove in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it starts to sizzle, add the tomato puree, the basil leaves, and a pinch of salt. Cook it for about 30 minutes, just long enough for the sauce to reduce a little bit. Now we cook the pasta in salted water for a couple of minutes less than what's indicated on the package. It should be al dente. Drain it and transfer it into a large bowl. Add almost all of the tomato sauce, 2/3 of the diced and well-drained mozzarella cheese, 3/4 of the eggplants, and half of the Parmesan. Mix everything well. Perfect. Now, in a baking dish, pour the remaining sauce on the bottom, add the pasta, and top it off with the remaining ingredients. Look at that. Perfect. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Once it's ready, let the Sicilian pasta cool down a little bit before serving it. Last but not least, a couple extra leaves of basil. Oh my god, the smell of basil is just amazing to me. I love it. It's amazing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this Sicilian pasta bake. I sure did, because I love the combination between eggplant and sauce, and just with the pasta, it's just amazing to me. So please let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Bye!